we're here in Camtasia, and I'm gonna show you guys how you can put your b-rolls. Okay, so this is one of the example that I want to show with you guys. So since I don't have a video, you can choose here, or if you have a video already that you want to put some b-rolls, well, you can just click the plus sign or import your media. But here I'm gonna use the Camtasia footage like this one, for example. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna drag this one over here. Alright, and while it is downloading, then we're going to wait for seconds while it's downloading. Alright, so now there you go. So here in this footage, I want to put some b-rolls on top of it. Okay, so to do that, I don't know if you know what is b-roll means. B-roll means like overlay or other kind of videos or footage or images that you want to put while this footage is playing. Okay, so to do that, I'm going back to my video, to my media. I don't know if I have my media here. Okay, I'm going back here. Since I don't have any on this, I'm gonna do the plus sign and import the b-roll that you want to include into this footage. All right, so I'm here on my files, and like for example, okay, I'm gonna use this thumbnail that I upload on YouTube. I'm gonna open this one. Okay, so once you open this one, you will see the images here. What you're gonna do is you're going to get this one and drag it down here wherever you want it to put it. Okay, like for example, I want to put it here, and there you go. So if I play this one, while playing this projector, you will see my video here. Okay, this is the b-roll that I put. Now if you want to resize this one, just click this one, guys, and you can resize this if you want to. You can just do like this if you want. You can resize this, so when you play with it while playing this one, it will look like this. Or if you want to, you can play with this, guys. So if you want to, you can make this a little bit smaller like that. Okay, let's say something like that, and you want it to put it here. Okay, then you can also do that. All right, so let's see when we play that video. Now it will just pop up. All right, so if you want to put more on this, like annotations or animations or some visual effects, what you're gonna do, let's put some animations on this. Okay, just click the animation and you will see this one. Okay, click that one, and you can use either one of this, or you can customize it. So I'm gonna click the custom, and I'm going to put, where is it, somewhere, okay, maybe somewhere here. Okay, just click this one and drag this to your video. Okay, so what you're gonna do from here, what do you want to do from this? What you're gonna do, you want to move it here, somewhere here or here or here. So what you're gonna do here is you're just going to click this one, and where do you want to go? This one, you want to go here again, and just stretch this out like that. So as you see, it will gonna be like the whole images for your video. And then we're going to move this one here. Until when you want to do that, you're just going to move this a little bit somewhere. It's all up to you guys, just a little bit. And now let's play the video and let's see how it works. All right, you see, guys, you see the exclamations, you know, when you move this cursor a little bit, just a little bit. But if you move this too long, it's too, you know, too slow when it moves to a big screen. So you can play with this, guys. You can do that too, or you can also put some other visual effects for this. Okay, like for example, click the visual effects and what effects that you want to put on this. So let's say you can play around with this, guys. Okay, let's say you want to put this into the device frame. Okay, what you're gonna do is just to drag this device frame over here, and let's see how it looks like. There you go. You see that? There's so many animations here that you can choose from. You can customize it until where you want it to move. You know, you can make it short, you can make it long, you can make it slow, you can make it fast. Just play around with this inside of Camtasia, and this is how you can use your B-roll or overlay to any videos that you are creating. Alright, so that's a short tutorial, guys, for this, and I hope you learned something from this. Camtasia is my new editing software that I am using right now, so I just want to share with you guys, if you want to try some other editing software to use to edit your videos, to use some animations, transitions, visual effects like this, well, why don't you try to use Camtasia? But for this tutorial, I'm just showing you guys how you can use your B-roll, how can you put your B-roll and put some animations and effects into your video. Alright, thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope you learned something from this. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. For all my supporters, thank you so much for all your supports, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.